adopted man, the world destroyed. Man soon killed and orphaned many animals, turned trees to paper, all started with less, end with excess, traffic and pollution, creating all congestion, animal hoarding and garbage, destroying earth, you see. All types of pollution affects all animals, disturbs food chains, killing many. Coal in trains harms air. Plastic pollution bad for nature and animals. Corona curbed industries, jams, rails and all. Corona curse for us, but guardian of nature. Nature enjoying its corona time. 17% decline in global CO2 fell to lowest in 14 years. India, 58.5% drop in PM, 31% drop in carbon, 18% in nitrogen dioxide. 89% reduction in AQI in Delhi. Delhi bee population increased due to less pollution and less human interference. Sethi water tank rejuvenated itself. Gangetic dolphins returned to Kolkata. 0.5 lakh flamingos in Savory and Thane. Clan witnesses blue penguins and pod of 7 orcas due to restrictions on motor boats. Tigers' stress hormone glucocorticoids decreased, so reproduction improved. Himalaya can be seen from Saharanpur and Sitamarhi. Ganga water fit for drinking. Yamuna is clean.